up this LOL. Can you read it? Okay, you can. Okay, we're gonna open it up. I already take the plastic out, so it'll be more easier. Okay? Oh my god! You have to take out these. Daddy, look! And oh my god. Look! So take out everything out first. OMG! Oh my god. It's so big! Dad, you have to collect it! Dad, you have to collect it, see? Dad, look!
Oh, nice.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll show you. Wait, I'll unbox everything. Okay, guys? This is so much. Okay? We have the LOL doll. We have this stickers. And then it says rock out. Nice. Okay, and there's just two more. This one and this one. Let's get them out. But first, I want to show you our full new set. Wait. I'll show you guys. Oops. There! You have to collect the whole set. Okay, now we'll open the LOL box. Wait, I need to try. Don't pause it! Okay. Okay. Now we'll open this. Music Fest 20. Oh, these are the shoes! Yellow shoes! Okay. Oh, are you okay? Sorry, my sister just fell. Okay. See it? Two yellow shoes. There's like a light on. See? Yellow shoes. Okay. Now we'll open the other one. Please don't touch the scissors, okay? Because scissors are good. Good job. Daddy, look. I feel this bottle. Wait, can I have a bite? Wow, it's really cool. And this is our bottle. Oh, I didn't know how. Yeah, we didn't know how. This is house. Oh. This is house, Daddy. Oh my god. I think it's... Okay, never mind. Okay. Now we'll open up this. Let's see what it is. If it's a pet, oh my god. So it's a human, okay. What's the bottle, right? Oh, it's the car! See, there's a car! Daddy, there's a car!
Oh, it's a real car.
Daddy, let me see it. Look, guys, there's a car! I'll go show Mom. So, okay, I already showed Mom, so I unboxed the video. And we have a new car, and we have a bottle, and two new shoes. Okay, I'll show it to you. One is upside down. Okay. We'll open this one. Oh my god. Ooh, headband! Okay, now a headband. Over here. Can you see it? I'll put the stickers over here. These have it! Yeah. And why? I'll move them a little bit closer. Like boom, boom, like that, Daddy. Yeah. I'm gonna move these all along. Okay, now we'll do this. What? Dad, I have a question. Why is there small things but big packages? That's so weird. Okay, let's see. Ooh! Nice! Okay. Oh!
You open everything first.
I am.
See? You're still here.
I know. I'm still opening them.
Okay.
I showed them the set too.
Please.
Oh. Oh, here's the doll. Okay. I'll put her legs down. Okay. Let's see. But before we do the
what these
first,
are they?
we're gonna do the.
I want these are they. I don't want these. What these are they? What's these?
That's dice.
Dice?
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna
Oh.
open this. If you're little, don't use the scissors, okay? Oh my god. A Christmas tree!
If I hold it? Oh, yeah! Christmas tree.
Okay, now that we have the Christmas tree open, we will open this. What is this, a bottle or something? The shield always, I think. Lois, look, this is the big package. Very excited. I saved the big one for later, so that's why. Oh, it's the big card. Oh, we're doing in the pause. This is sorry, pause. Now we can attach it. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, does she have a little?